Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don. Today I'll show you how to flip a clip or turn around upside down in DaVinci Resolve. So here you can see that I have a clip which is where Lucky is kind of flipped. I forgot to change the orientation of the camera. However, at one point he got flipped to the normal position. So I'm just going to show you quickly how you can fix this clip. So find the point where he started to appear normal. So let's find that position, and you can see that right here. So I'm just going to cut this clip here, and if you have one clip which is completely flipped, then you don't have to do any of these. But let's say I got the point, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to click this clip to select it, and then I'm going to go to Inspector tab, which is right here. So when you go to the Inspector tab, take a look right here, and you can see that there's an option flip, and you can see that it tells you what type of flip you'd like to do. So let me try this and see what happens. So this looks like upside down. So let's try this. Okay, so you see that I just clicked once and it fixed the clip, but I may want to just try this and see what happens again, just to show you. Okay, so actually you can flip on left to right or right to left as well, but I just want to keep it normal. So this is going to be where we have to press, and that's all you need to do. So it's very simple and easy, and that's how you can flip a clip or turn it upside down in DaVinci Resolve. For the next tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.